India has once again shaken by a tragic aviation accident. A major plane crash in Baramati, Maharashtra has claimed the lives of 5 people, including Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. This heartbreaking incident is a reminder that this is not the first time the country has lost important leaders and national figures in air crash. Over the years, India has witnessed several tragic accidents where political leaders, military officers, and scientists lost their lives while traveling by air. In this video, we'll look back at some of the most painful aviation tragedies involving prominent personalities. We begin with most recent one. Air India crash June 12, 2025. On June 12, 2025, an Air India flight traveling from Ahmedabad to London crashed just moments after takeoff. There were 242 people on board, including the pilot. Tragically, 241 passengers lost their lives. Among those who died was Vijay Rupani, former Chief Minister of Gujarat, a senior BJP leader. Vijay Rupani served as Gujarat's Chief Minister from 2016 to 2021. Crash shocked the nation and raised serious concern about aviation safety. General Bipin Rawat, helicopter crash, December 8, 2021. Another devastating incident occurred on December 8, 2021 when a military helicopter carrying General Bipin Rawat crashed near Konur in Tamil Nadu. General Rawat was India's first Chief of Defence Staff, CDS, the highest military advisor positioned to the government, responsible for coordinating between the Army, Navy and Air Force. The helicopter was travelling from Sulur to Wellington. On board were General Rawat, his wife and 11 others. Sadly, all passengers lost their lives. YS Rajashekhar Reddy, 2009. On September 2, 2009, Andhra Pradesh lost one of its most influential leaders, then Chief Minister YS Rajashekhar Reddy, popularly known as YSR, died in a helicopter crash. Due to bad weather, the helicopter crashed into a dense forest area. YSR served as Andhra Pradesh's Chief Minister from 2004 to 2009 and was one of the strongest Congress leaders in the Dorji Khandu, 2011. In April 2011, Arunachal Pradesh's sitting Chief Minister Dorji Khandu lost his life in a helicopter crash. On April 20, 2011, he was travelling from Tawang to Itanagar with 4 others. The helicopter crashed in the West Kameng district. Dorji Khandu has been the Chief Minister since 2007 till his untimely GMC Bala Yogi, 2002. On March 3, 2002, India lost GMC Bala Yogi, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha and a leader of the Telugu Desam Party. He was travelling by helicopter from Bhimavaram in West Godavari district. The chopper crashed into a pond near Kaikaluru in Krishna district, Andhra Pradesh, killing him. Madhav Rao Sindhia, 2001. Congress leader and former Union Civil Aviation Minister Madhav Rao Sindhia also died in a tragic air crash. On September 30, 2001, he was travelling in a 10-seater private aircraft to attend a political rally. Due to bad weather, the plane crashed near Manipur in Uttar Pradesh. Sanjay Gandhi, 1980. On June 23, 1980, Sanjay Gandhi, Congress leader and son of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, died in a tragic accident. He was performing an aerial stunt in a Delhi Flying Club aircraft near Safdarjung Airport when he lost control, leading to a fatal crash. Homi Bhabha, 1966. India's nuclear program suffered a huge loss on January 24, 1966. Homi Jahangir Bhabha, regarding as the father of India's nuclear program, died in the crash of Air India Flight 101. According to a report by The Hindu, the crash occurred due to miscommunication with Geneva Air Traffic Control, causing the aircraft to hit Mont Blanc in Switzerland. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, 1945. One of the most debated aviation accidents in Indian history is the death of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. In August 1945, Netaji reportedly died in a plane crash in Japanese-occupied Formosa. He passed away later that evening at a hospital in Taipei. However, his death has remained controversial with several theories and claims emerging over the years. From political leaders and military commanders to scientists and freedom fighters, these tragic crashes changed the course of Indian history. The Baramati plane crash, which claimed the life of Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, once again reminded us how fragile life can be, even for the most powerful. That's all for this video. For more such important stories from India and around the world, stay tuned with KTV India. This is me, Varsha Venugopal, signing off.